Alright, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and type in Vendoo. Make sure you click the one that is vendoo.co, because there's vendoo.com is a different website. It's like a foreign website. So make sure you're clicking on the right one. Once you get on vendoo.co, it's going to have you create an account, which is pretty self-explanatory. There's 3 different options you can choose from, I believe. I'm not sure how much mine costs. I think it was like $30 a month. But I get 125 different items that I can post per month. So once you're done creating an account and choosing your subscription, it's going to bring you to this page. And the first thing you're going to want to do is link your marketplaces. So it has all of your different marketplaces right here. I currently use eBay, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. So in order to link your marketplaces, you go to your little person icon, you click on Marketplace Connections, and it'll have, let's blur this out, it'll have eBay and all of these, whatever, eBay, Etsy, all the ones that they have available. So you'll link your eBay account, you'll open a new tab, and you'll open your eBay store, and then hit connect, and it'll automatically connect. The only weird one on here is Mercari. It'll make you download an extension, but it brings you right to the extension, and it takes like 2 seconds. So it's really easy. So once you got all of your marketplaces connected, and remember, you're going to have to keep your marketplaces open. Like, you're going to have to keep Mercari and eBay open while you're using Vendoo. So always keep them open. Don't close those tabs while you're using Vendoo. So once you get them connected, you're going to go up to New Item, and it's going to bring you to Vendoo Form. Now from here, there's one of 2 things you can do. So if you have an item that is not posted anywhere yet, it's not on eBay, it's not on Mercari, it's not on any stores yet, you can go ahead and upload your images of the item, title, and everything just like you were going to post it, and then you can hit save, and it'll go to your inventory. But if you already have it posted, let's say on eBay, for example, and you want to cross-post it to somewhere else, you can just click on import from eBay, and it'll bring up this window where it'll show you all of your items that are on eBay for sale currently. It takes a little bit to load here, but there they all are. And if, let's say, I want to cross-post these 2 things, I will click on both of them. You can click on as many as you want. And you're going to go down here and hit import however many items you selected, and it will import them. It takes a few seconds to import, so you're just going to have to be patient with that, because sometimes it takes kind of a long time. But once you have your items imported, you're going to want to go to, or you're going to want to go back to inventory. This is going to be where you're at a lot on this page, is inventory. So remember this little tag thing. So then it'll show you all of your items that you imported or saved from the Vendoo form. Like I said, if you don't have it listed and you just want to upload it to Vendoo, you can. So then it'll show it here. So let's say, and then it'll show you what you have it posted on right here. So I posted this on Mercari, and then I imported it from Mercari to this, which is my inventory. Then I clicked on here, it says, see how it says eBay? I clicked on here, and I went to eBay right here, and it'll have a drop-down menu. You don't have to click anything on there. Just click on the eBay, and then it'll bring you up to this form. Since I imported it from Mercari, it would already have my title from Mercari in here and my pictures from Mercari in here. That's why it's so much faster than anything else. Then you're just going to want to make sure all of your information is in there, and then you're going to go hit list. Since this is already listed on eBay, the button isn't there, but it'll say like list now on eBay. So you'll click that and it'll start listing for you. And then you can go back to your inventory and do that for anything else. So you can, if it's on Mercari, you can put it on eBay, you can put it on eBay and Facebook, you can cross post wherever you want, and as many as you want. So now let's look at the bookkeeping side of things. So once an item is sold, see how it says sold here? Vendoo actually does not know when an item sells. You have to manually put it in there, but it's super easy. I sold this. The buyer hasn't paid yet, which that's besides the point. So I sold this, and you can see here it says price sold and everything. But let's say let's go back here for a sec. So where is it? Yeah, right here. Okay, so here's the item that's sold, and it won't say sold right here, but what you'll do is you'll click on the item, and on this left-hand menu, since it's sold on eBay, you're gonna click. This is where you're gonna use the drop-down menu. So you're gonna click on the drop-down menu, and it will show you. It'll say mark as sold will be an option, but since it's already marked as sold, this is a bad example, but it'll say mark as sold, and then you mark it as sold. So anytime something sells, mark it as sold in whichever store it's sold in. And then you can go down to here and click Analytics. Now, I haven't been doing all of my items in here, and I haven't been even using Vendoo that long, so yours hopefully will look a lot better than this. But here it says your number of items sold, and then it's got your total profit and your total revenue. How it figures out profit is because when you click an item and you go to mark it as sold, here it'll have the price you sold it for, cost of the item. So let's say you paid $1 for that, and then you'll type in however much you pay for fees on that. And then if you have any shipping expenses yourself, say you did free shipping, so then you would put your shipping expenses in here. But if you charge the customer shipping, I always just put 0 in here, and then that's how it figures out your total profit. So in analytics, it'll show, because it'll take out the cost of the item, shipping expenses, and fees for you, which is why it's so freaking nice. Oh, it says my average sale price here, and shows you a couple different analytics. And I like how it says top selling brands. I think that's pretty cool. I think that'll be useful once I start putting more of my sold items in here. But yeah, that's kind of an overview of Vendoo and a little tutorial on how to work it. It's a tiny bit confusing at first, but like it's super easy when you get the hang of it. Like, you just add a new item here, import it from whatever it's already listed on. If it's not listed on anything, you can make a listing here. Then on the left, that's where you cross post it to anything. So since you'll go back to your inventory since you imported it, you click on the item, go to this menu, click whichever one you want, and then you can post it on there. So if you liked this tutorial, please leave a like, because it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll be looking more forward to videos similar to this one and just other reselling videos in general. If you have any other questions about Vendoo, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer the question to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.